Hey, it's Mickey from Relentless Perfection. Right behind me is a great example of our most popular package, our curated Package 1 option to protect your Tesla. This is the package you should consider when protecting your vehicle. This includes our full front end paint protection film package, which covers the front bumper, headlamps, fog lights, entire hood, both fenders, A-pillars, as well as the mirrors. This is going to protect your front end from all the most impactful damage such as rock chips, scrapes, and low speed impacts. Along with that, we also include our professional ceramic coating package, which is going to protect the front end PPF, entire exterior glass of the vehicle, as well as all the paint on the vehicle. Once it's protected, it looks seamless, flawless, and it protects your vehicle from just about anything on the road. In addition to this, you can consider protecting your vehicle with an entire PPF wrap, but the most common package is this option 1, which covers the whole front end and the rest of the vehicle's ceramic coating. Let's take a quick look at what we do here exactly to make things different from other shops and how we can protect your vehicle. One of the things that sets our shop aside from other shops is our dedicated clean room. This room is specifically designed for installing paint protection film on your vehicle. With specialized HVAC filtration to keep the dust and dirt and airborne contaminants out of the air, we also have a climate controlled facility that allows a perfect installation of paint protection film to your vehicle's exterior. When it comes to protecting your vehicle, our goal is the most flawless and seamless installation as possible. Along with the goal of not having any dirt, debris, or contaminants under the film, our goal is also to have the most seamless installation possible. We wrap all the edges where possible so that you do not see any edges of the film on the edges of the panel. When it comes to edges, our goal is the most clean and seamless install possible. We wrap the film around the edge of the panel to the underside. This allows for a cleaner, better installation and better longevity. If you follow along the hood here, you can see closely that film wraps all the way around the edge, approximately 1/4 inch. Same thing continues on the fender here. If you take a look, the film is not discernible of where the edge actually ends because it is brought all the way around the panel and tucked on the inside of the fender. We continue this throughout our installation process by tucking it into the deep recess where the panels meet, and then of course all the way on the inside of the front bumper. Again, seamless installation is key to longevity and having the most professional install and protection on your Tesla. If you're considering protecting your new Tesla with paint protection film or ceramic coating, look no further than Relentless Perfection. We have you covered and are looking forward to protecting your vehicle today. Feel free to give us a call, text, or contact us by email to book your appointment as soon as you can. Thanks for watching.